Ayun guys, so quick lang kasi naikot na natin to ng 4 na beses. Ito yung bago ng Vogue, which is the CU625. Ang ganda, di ba? Brusco, mas brusco to kumpara doon sa 525 or CU525. So more powerful sa tunog. Kung nagustuhan ko na dati yung 525, lalong mas nagustuhan ko to. Really nice. Engine, it's got V twin, no? For the tires 130, 150 ang likod. Bruskong brusko, lalong lalo na ang itsura. Syempre ang ganda ng headlight niya, as you can see. Classic-y, pero syempre it's got the DNA ng isang modern motorcycle. Actually it's a mix of classic and modern because of some components. We are not sure yet kung eto na mismo exactly ang darating sa Pilipinas, but as you can see, napakaganda guys at mga kaaro, you know. Lagi nating mababanggit, ito syempre yung tangke na yan, poging pogi. Belt type ito, no? Dito sa tank, kitang-kita nyo yung badge siya na chill dito, right? And syempre it comes it comes with these types of tawag dito, side mirrors, no? Malaki. Real quick, patunogin natin para Sir Sak, by the way, patunogin natin para masubukan natin kung kumusta, para marinig nyo guys. Ang ganda ng tunog and powerful. Okay, there, start natin. Ayan o, tunog pa lang guys at mga kaaro, kitang kita nyo naman. Look at that. O dinig na dinig naman. Classic, especially sa likod with regards to its upuan, malambot syempre, with the components, metals, plastics, so far maganda, no? Maganda. Okay, high quality. Tapos ito yung screen nya, just like that. Okay, and more of this bike very soon. Now tinry kong check kung hanggang saan yung kaya niya. However, because these are test units, hindi nila or dine-activate nila yung speedometer nito, so hindi natin makikita apparently. But with this kind of truck, I was probably doing mga 80 lang naman, you know. Kaya medyo mahaba yung stretch nito mula dun sa unahan. And ang ganda guys at mga kaaro. So really, this is another bike ng Vogue na dapat natin, or you know, kaabang-abang kumbaga. So I hope dumating na kaagad to, because it's something na people will really enjoy pagka dumating to sa market ng Pilipinas.